While we were in Idaho in June of 2023, we wanted to find Idaho's tallest waterfall. So, come with us to Elk Creek Falls. I will say that while this is Idaho's tallest waterfall, it is not a very busy place. As a matter of fact, when we got there, there was only 2 other cars in the whole parking lot. If you are planning to visit, make sure that you have a full tank of gas and are ready to drive down a gravel road, and have everything you need with you for the day. There's 1 vault toilet and a few picnic tables, but no water at the trailhead. Elk Creek falls in 3 separate cascades, totaling over 140 feet, into a beautiful canyon. It is filled with mesmerizing basaltic columns. When we got to the top of the trail, which goes in a loop, we turned left and got to the upper falls first. You can see these basaltic columns on the sides of the waterfall and on the little platform that we get to stand on to see the falls from the front of it. Each of the cascades has its own spur for an overlook. The middle falls is definitely the highest and the best view of the valley. Did I mention I felt like we had the whole place to ourselves? We spent a lot of time just enjoying the sounds of the falling water. In this shot of the lower falls, you can see those basaltic columns on the left side really well. These were formed by a volcanic eruption, kind of like Devil's Tower out in Wyoming or Devil's Postpile out in California. We really enjoyed this hike at Elk Creek Falls in Idaho and hope you come to visit too. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.